Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.
Assalamualaikum guys, this is Ranjit and you are watching Crazy Information Technology. In today's video, I am going to review the one and only Honor 8X. So hope you enjoy our review, and if you enjoy our review, kindly subscribe our channel Crazy Information Technology, because when you subscribe our channel, you will be connected with the latest technology updates. So in this video, I will explain its all specification, its all feature in the detail. So please keep watching this video till end to know about all the feature of Honor 8X. So hope you will watch this video till end and subscribe my channel, and let's the video begin. So first of all, I would like to explain its main specification. It has platform OS Android 8.1 Oreo chipset, Kirin 710, CPU is octa-core, and GPU is Mel G51MP4. So now come to the display. It has IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors. Size is 6.5 inch, which is great, and screen to body ratio is 84.4. Resolution is 1080 multiplied by 2340 pixels and multi-touches also. So now come to its main camera. It has dual 20 megapixel with aperture f1.8, and the other is 2 megapixel with depth sensor, and the feature is LED flash, and HDR is also available. So now come to the selfie camera. It has single 16 megapixel with aperture f2.0, and feature is HDR, and video quality is 1080, so it is great. So now come to the memory. The memory is 664 GB and the 128 GB, so it's amazing, and my micro SD card is also available. So let's talk about Honor 8X. It seems Honor gonna bring 8X to the table as the major surprise of this year, because its specifications are shining like a star, and it is possible to say that this phone is full of the surprise. Honor 8X glowing like a star in the Galaxy Note 1 for Samsung, but like the real Galaxy after separation with Huawei in Pakistan, this brand has gained a lot of fan base, and Honor's 8X is gonna make sure that they will get advantage from this to get their phone in mainstream. This is not the first time when we saw a good smartphone in market. Many devices like 8X by Honor are in the market, but they did not have what this phone is capable to do. All this fame has a story behind it, and if we talk about this phone, Honor 8X display is one of those fame creating things, because the size of display is 6.5 inch, which is the ideal size to get out of the smartphone range, and you can say that it is going to produce a phablet named as 8X. Resolution of the phone is going to blow your mind away, because it consists of 2340 multiplied by 1080 pixels. Now picture quality will be even more better, and you will watch videos and movies clearly with display of 8X. Chip of the phone is also announced, and it is seen that this one has decided to pack a storage chipset from Qualcomm. Snapdragon 660 will the chipset selected for a 8X, which will make him strong enough to stand against all odds. From the first time you will see a phone which is gonna launch with a battery capacity of 3750, which a quite big number of the 8X. Camera setup of the phone is based on 20 plus 2 megapixel dual camera setup, which will bring you closer to reality in image, and it will capture your memories at even better resolution. 16 megapixel camera is selected by Honor from 8X to click nice selfies. 6 GB of RAM will handle the violent application, and from the storage purpose 64 GB internal storage is selected. Honor 8X has also got SD card supported of 256 GB. So now back to the studio. So hope you enjoy our video, and if you enjoy our video, kindly subscribe our channel Crazy Information Technology, because I bring video like that daily. So connect with us, you will be connected with the latest technology updates. So for now it's ended. We will be right back with new ideas, with new technology. For now, goodbye.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.